Alright, well, we are starting to fill our great big hole. I know, it's really hard to see. I'm going to try and get in front of the sun here. That's our hole. We went all the way out to the other side. We've already filled this side, but we're just trying to get this side filled now, and it's so hard to get it round in here. There's some rebar down in there. Once we get it filled up a little bit more, well, did you stuff some back in the back to get up against the other? Okay. But that's that one. We got a hole over there that's going to get filled. And we got this hole that's got to get filled. We're doing the biggest one right now. But it's all the concrete. That's what we're using. 80-pound bags. Maximizer concrete mix. Extra high strength.
Extra heavy.
5,500 PSI. And 67% more coverage. If you actually sit down and figure it out, these bags cost about $3 more than regular concrete. But with the 67% more coverage, figure out the coverage, and these actually save you a lot of money. Plus, it's a higher yield. So if you're using it structural, it's perfect. Got the wheelbarrow, and that is our concrete mixer that we picked up for $150 off of Craigslist. So right now we just dumped some. I got water in there, getting ready for another bag. So I'm going to set you up and you can watch us do one. I'm not sure where to set you up. There. You should be able to see it. So, it's bringing out the bags. Let's cut them. We shut this off right now while he brings out a bag so we can put one in. The first try we did this, we did 2 bags at one time. This is the first time we've ever used the concrete mixer. And let me just tell you what a nightmare that was. Not that this can't handle it, it can. But it was very hard to try and, get it mixed. Okay. This used to have, should be like a bolt or something that holds this handle that allows you to tip it. We couldn't get a bolt to actually fit and stay on. So what we did, we got a 2x4 and we cut a V in it. We just got it propped up is all we got. Now, this is the first time I've ever done any of this, so I did a lot of research before we did all this. One thing is, if you're going to use it structurally, the more water you add, the less PSI you're going to get. So you want to only add, keep it as dry as you possibly can. want to put water in here first. Do not dump a dry bag into your mixer because you'll never get it mixed. You'll have to use a hoe and get it to it. Make sure there's water already in there. You can put about half of the water recommended right away. And then go in the back and put all of this. And that's about it. And then I'll just let this run. I'm going to grab you here. And I'll just let this run. Like that. And it'll just keep splashing the water and putting any extra in there. And I'll be ready for the next one. But that is it. That's what we're doing today. This is our first hole. We have the form is level, so we'll shimmy it. I'm going to
take many more.
I'm going to tell you, we're talking maybe 4 or 5 more bags. It's going to take a lot more. But, alright, I'm going to leave this in here. Did you get the air out?
Yep.
So when you're, as you're doing this, you're going to want to just get it all the air out. And you might want to throw a little bit of water into there. That's a little too dry, I think. The drier the better. You don't want it real wet, but I also need it wet enough to actually adhere. And before we started pouring our concrete into here, I wet everything down. I wet all of the ground, the sides of the hole, all of the 2x4s, get everything really good soaking. Don't worry if it leaves a puddle at the bottom, it'll suck down. But the whole idea is, you know, concrete is not going to have a whole lot of water in it. So you don't want the ground pulling any water from it. And it'll get really dry then, and it won't set right. So, that's what we're doing. I just want to give you a show and show you what we're doing. I'm going to come back once we get the hole done. So I'll see you in a little bit.